Today we're going to be doing a little product review. Back to working on the Bronco, and we're going to be seeing how well this Dupli-Color vinyl and fabric spray actually works. As you can see, we have a white early Bronco seat, but that's not going to match the interior of my Bronco, because you can see the seats are black. So we're going to show you how to go from this to this. Now this is about probably 3 coats or so, and I am going to probably put a 4th coat on just to play it safe. So I'll show you the products you need, how I did it, whether it's right or not. We'll find out in the future. So let's get started. So what we're going to need here, I like to use the Dupli-Color Prep Spray. Pretty good cleaner, used it prior to painting vehicles, works pretty well. Dupli-Color Vinyl and Fabric, flexible finish. And we're going with the gloss black because it kind of fits the Bronco. Some paper towels, and I'm using a red Scotch-Brite pad. And you always want to rough up a surface before you paint. Figure this will clean it, rough it up. So let's get going. Basically, you just want to, work like one section at a time. Get it clean, wipe it down so you're not moving shit all over the place. Do both sides. Then we're going to go back and we're going to clean it one more time. Wait for it to dry, and then spray. Alright, well, you get the idea. Not going to bore you. Okay, we're back. We're all clean. Do have to mention the Dupli-Color Prep Spray. If you have a strong sense of smell, you might want to wear a mask, because that shit done about knocked me out. And that's coming from a guy who doesn't have a sense of smell and is a smoker. So, I'm going to shake up the can and start spraying. Now, of course, you want to do... it's going to take a couple of light coats. You don't want to hammer it. The lighter the coat, the better. We're basically just dusting it for the most part. So let's start. Alright, so as you can see, got a nice dusting. It's still white underneath. There's no rush. Me, when I'm spraying, I like to kind of concentrate on all the little cracks and everything. Go a little heavy at first, because those are the areas we're going to see the white. So, and I did set this up so I was able to get underneath of it all in one shot. So we're going to let this tack up. Only takes about 5 minutes. And we're going to circle back to this. Okay, so after the first coat, you can see it's still white, a little hard to see, but I can see it clearly. I'm not sure how well the GoPro's picking it up. So we're going to start, we're going to hammer it into all the corners here where it's the whitest. Then we're just going to fan our way out. So let's see how this goes. Thought I checked your oil last night. That's what I remember. All right, coat number 2. Let's let this tack up. Alright, so here we are a few hours later. As you can see, it's all done. Even went, painted the frame. So we went from a black frame with white material to white frame with black material. And here you are. See? Sitting in it. Put my arm on it. Nothing on it. Yeah, it's been about 4 hours. It says wait 6, but as you can see, no problems. Looks good. So would I recommend this product? Shit yeah. For 30 bucks to completely change the seat color. I'm in this seat for about $1.80 now. Probably sell it for 400 if I wanted to. But I need it. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.